everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log in to your Cupid dating site. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log into your Cupid dating site but you don't know how, then simply follow the instructions. Open up a web browser of your choice. Into the web address bar at the top, type in www.cupiddates.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Cupid Dates, which looks like this. Click the login button in the top right hand corner in order to end up in the login area. You'll need to type in your email address or your mobile number that you used during registration, followed by your password to get access to your account. Start off by typing in your email or your mobile number. Make sure to enter the same email that you used during signing up. Now, head over to the next field, type in your password for your account. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on this Forgot Password link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, click Login at the bottom. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be able to log into your Cupid Dates account right away. Now you can find people that you'd like to date according to your preferences. Find a perfect match for yourself with Cupid Dates. That is how you can easily log in to Cupid Dates right away on your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.